Question number 36. Find the compound interest on rupees 8,000 for 3 years at 4% per annum. That is solution. Formula, compound interest formula is, that is, amount is equal to principal amount into 1 plus r divided by 100 to the power of t. The amount, we have to find the compound interest. So here P is 8,000 and 1 plus r rate is 4%. Now T is for 3 years. Now I am writing 8,000 into, this is written as 104, that is by taking LCM, 104 to the power of 3. Now I am splitting this one. This is 8,000 into 104 divided by 100, 104 by 100, 104 by 100. Now I am writing that this is, these two zeros and these two zeros are get cancelled, and this 1 0 and 1 0 get cancelled. Now 8 into 104 into 104 into 104 divided by whole divided by 1000. Now I am making this one 104 into 104, that is 104 means 416 and 104 16801, and again another 104 is there. Now 64 32 4 and 10816 8 4 12 1. Now I am taking, now this is I am writing here, this is 8 into 112 4864 divided by 1000. Here it will become 8 into 112, the here divided by 1000, right? So point will comes here 0.8. I am taking this much only. Now 1124.8 into 8 is 8 is 64, 32, 38, 8 was a 16, 9, 8 ones are 8, 9, 8. Now point is here, point 1 point. Now they are asking, this is the total amount after 3 years, but they are asking only compound interest, that is amount is equal to compound interest minus principal amount. Now amount is 8998.4 minus this one principal amount, sorry, here compound interest plus principal amount is equal to amount. So principal, I'm making amount minus principal amount is 8,000. Now we got simple interest, compound interest, that is 998.4. This is approximately this is the 998. Option A is the required answer.